So biochemical engineering is a degree that enables you to undertake an interdisciplinary training, gaining a knowledge of not only the fundamentals of engineering science, but also biochemistry and molecular biology. One of the questions we get asked quite a lot is, what is the difference between chemical and biochemical engineering? Let's start with the similarities. So in terms of the fundamentals, you will still learn the same thermodynamics, fluid flow, the kind of mechanical processes that you need to be an engineer. Where biochemical engineering differs is that we also teach molecular biology and biochemistry in a really integrated way. This opens up many possibilities for stem cell work, synthetic biology, vaccines and pharmaceuticals. The way that we structure the course, we draw all of this information together until your third year, where you'll do a big design project, where you'll look at how we manufacture a pharmaceutical compound, for example, and you'll take that process from the very inception, discovery stage, right through clinical trials and to manufacturing. One of the key features of our degree is that we try to offer our undergraduates as much practical and hands-on experience as possible.
In the integrated engineering programme, that involves working with engineers in other departments. In first year and in second year, you'll work on group projects with chemical engineers, electrical, mechanical. So you're not just working with people in your own department, you're actually getting to work on an interdisciplinary project.
So you will see from beginning to end how a biological manufacturing process works, and you'll get hands-on time actually seeing the equipment in operation and understanding how it works in the lab.
One of the things that attracted me was how many fields it delved into. Math, chemistry, biology, some physics, some computer science. I loved all those sciences. And the engineering, I would be doing things from the get-go. And indeed I've seen that, as opposed to just a lot of theory and not much practice.
To complement this, we also have enormous links with industry, pharmaceutical industry and other bioprocess industries. And during the course of your degree, you will have a site visit where you'll be able to see how all of the concepts that you're learning in your undergraduate degree are applied to real life.
Being surrounded by all of these professionals that are doing so much and did so much in their careers, and getting to know them face to face, seeing all the wonderful projects that they're doing, seeing your cohorts. Being here, that means that they're quite intelligent people, and you can see that in your classes. So that really pushes you to go on, gives you motivation and reminds you why are you going through all of this hard work.
The kinds of students we're looking for are people who really want to be leaders in their field, who've got a passion for the life sciences, but really want to see that applied into meaningful products and solutions.
I didn't have a particular interest before joining the course, but I think since then I appreciated a lot more like synthetic biology. It was very interesting to see applied in like cutting edge research, not something from a textbook that you look at in A-level. So I was really interested in doing the experiments.
Many of our graduates go on to further study and PhDs, which reflects the fact that our field is quite new and emerging, and as a department we're quite research intensive. So many people feel inspired to go on to study a PhD. Finally, because obviously you're an engineer, you're numerate, articulate, you're in demand from a number of other industries such as the financial sector. So if you're the kind of student who's motivated by the challenges of making biofuels, new vaccines, engineering stem cells, you're exactly the kind of person that we want to hear from. And if you've any questions, please drop us a line and we'd be more than happy to see you at some of our open days.